Hello everybody. I know you're gonna see two types of videos. One is clear and a daylight and the other one is not. Well, apparently what I filmed in the beginning did not show, so I'm gonna refilm the beginning. I wanted to share with you my blooms in my Euphorbia Milii that I got from eBay, and it's been blooming. Beautiful flowers. It has two colors. You see that? They're huge. Not even, they're bigger than my thumb each flower. It's two colors. And well, as you can see, the flowers are about to dry. But I was editing the video and I noticed that it did not film everything. Look how big the flower is though. It's so huge. It's just gorgeous. Two lovely colors, pink and cream. And I repotted this one, which was kind of sad on the other video. And look, now it has blooms. It didn't have any blooms. I'm just shocked. It seemed to like the repot. I can't wait to see the blooms on this one. I will post the picture now that we have the way to post pictures in YouTube like Facebook. So check it out whenever I upload the picture. 2 leaves though, not much leaves, but I'm getting several blooms. Can't wait. This one too, which is a tiny flower. These are more tiny, more small, very tiny. Look, so tiny comparing to these ones are a bit more bigger, a little bit more bigger. It's a big difference. These are tiny. And the yellow one, what I love is that many of them grow in one little bunch. And this one too, I don't know if the light, it's kind of hard. It's red. It's a red color, almost. And it's growing and it's growing. It's nice and tall, and it's flowering all year round as well because it's in front of a sunny window. Yes, so it's about 6 Euphorbia Milii I have. I think I need one more to make it a lucky number, right? I need one more. Anyways, my friends, I just wanted to share with you my Euphorbia Milii. They're all blooming all the time. They're blooming, but this one surprised me how lovely and beautiful it looks, and I wanted to share with you, and also share with you the rest of my euphorbias. Thank you very much for watching my videos. I really appreciate all your support, and if you're new, subscribe and don't forget to click that bell so you don't miss any of my videos that I upload. Comment below, share the video, like the video, and hope to see you again on the next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.